Artificial intelligence is changing the economy faster than many expected, and we're interacting with it throughout the day, in many ways that we might not even realize. When we wake up in the morning and catch up on the news, AI plays a part in recommending what we read. But AI is not just serving us optimized content. It's cleaning the floors, it's getting the temperature just right, and maybe even adding greenery. These days we're surrounded by all sorts of devices, and many of them are powered by robotics and AI technology. AI's influence is transforming entire industries, from improving energy efficiency to developing revolutionary medicines to enhancing agricultural output and delivering us customized content. As AI advances, we expect users of this technology to generate an additional $13 trillion of economic output by 2030, making this one of the most impactful technological developments since the internet. So, how can investors get ready for the rise of AI? They can look at IRBO, an ETF that invests in companies around the world leading the charge in robotics, technology, and artificial intelligence. An ETF like SOX provides exposure to the AI value chain by investing in US companies that design, manufacture, and distribute semiconductors. Or they can look to invest in areas of the market linked to AI, like our IDRV ETF, which gets exposure to autonomous vehicles. As the future unfolds, there looks to be an unprecedented opportunity to leverage the power of trends that are shaping our everyday lives.
Visit iShares.com to view a prospectus, which includes investment objectives, risks, fees, expenses, and other information that you should read and consider carefully before investing. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.